Hi guys, a quick tip from me and the team here at Demob, and it's all about LinkedIn's Open to Work banner. For those not sure of what that is, it enables you to display that you are open to work opportunities by placing this banner over your LinkedIn profile picture. When you switch this on, you can select to display it to anyone viewing your profile or just recruiters. Selecting just recruiters will help you if you're not keen on letting your present employer see that you are looking to jump ship. Recently, we reached out to an open to work candidate on LinkedIn, only to find out that he was not available to start work until March 2027. Yes, you heard that right, March 2027. I'm not going to tell you when to switch yours on, but I would suggest that that is a little early. Want to place the banner on your profile? Under your image is the Open To button. Here it is. And then select the relevant option. Hope that helps. Any questions, just let me know. Thanks for watching.